Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is Carl, or CW as known on YouTube. I'm going to do a little Temu unboxing. Going to look at some molds that I picked up. Price of these were phenomenal compared to prices on Amazon. And I have a couple of molds beside me over here that are actually from Amazon. Oh, look at this butterfly mold. Look, it's got nice supports. Quality feels pretty good. I'm going to grab, this is another mold that I picked up. This one was from Amazon. And the quality of this one, it's actually a little thicker and a little more sturdier than that one. All right, let's see what else we got in here. I don't even remember what else I got. Yeah, as some of my other projects start falling over. What is this one? Oh, this is the seahorse. And the seahorse is a little more flimsy than the butterfly, but still decent. I mean, for the price, you know, if it lasts 4 or 5, if I can get like a few sales out of it, it'll more than pay for itself. It was probably under $3. Let's get rid of some of this trash. Get everything out of there. Yep. Got everything out. Let's see, what is this last thing? Oh, the snail. Wow. That is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. I was not expecting something that small. I've seen some other snail molds and they're a lot larger than that. So that's pretty much the only one that I'm not really happy with. They show it in the pictures compared with a couple of other molds. And this is a similar mold to what they pictured for the frog. And look at the size difference. That is quite a different size. So that's the 3 molds that I've gotten so far. I'll be having another unboxing here soon because I've got a couple more orders coming in from Temu with different stuff. I know one of the things I got was a UV light and UV resin. Well, just a short video today, just to show you an unboxing of these molds. I'll start working on some of these pretty soon.